Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable logo consistency with Adobe Express, full guide step by step clearly. To enable logo consistency with Adobe Express, start by opening the Adobe Express application. Sign in to your Adobe account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Click on the brand option located in the left-hand menu. In the brand section, select Add Logo to upload your logo file. Ensure your logo is in a PNG or JPG format for optimal quality. After uploading, adjust the size and position of the logo as needed. Once satisfied, click Save to store your logo in your brand settings. Next, find the Brand Colors section. Here, you can input your brand's color palette for consistent use across your designs. Utilize the Color Picker tool to select or input specific color codes. After setting your colors, be sure to save your selections. Now, navigate to a new project by clicking Create New. Choose a template that fits your project needs. As you work on your design, your logo and brand colors will automatically be available in the editing tools. To include your logo, click on the Logos tab from the toolbar. Select your saved logo for easy access and placement within your design. You can resize or move the logo as needed to ensure it fits your layout. Once you've finished your design, click Download in the upper right corner to save your work. Choose your preferred file type and quality before confirming your download. With these steps, you have successfully enabled logo consistency with Adobe Express. This process will help maintain a cohesive brand identity across all your projects. Experiment with different templates while applying your logo and brand colors for a polished, professional look. Using Adobe Express for branding ensures that your visuals align with your company's identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.